Hi, my name's Andrew Wong and I'm the Applications Engineer for IMU. And today we're just going to do a quick video on how to do SD card logging with our sensors using an iPad and then downloading the data via our Lightning app. So first, what we're going to do today is have 3 sensors on at one time. So what I'm going to do is clap 3 times with these sensors when they're running, and then hopefully when we download the data we'll see those 3 claps and they're all time synced. Good practice when using our IMUs is to actually physically label the sensors themselves. So when you take them off your subject, you know for sure which sensor is which sensor. So we've actually labeled with sticky tape on the underside of these sensors what they're called. So this will be lower wrist, middle wrist, upper wrist. And you can do that, say, if you're doing left and right leg, so left leg, right leg, and that's just so you have peace of mind, so you know definitely after measuring which sensor was used on what part of the body. Note that I have all these sensors in what we like to call the man up position. And the man up position essentially means that the little IMU man there, he's always standing up. And we always have the orange side facing out. That's just standard practice, just so you always know what orientation, what way the sensor is being attached to the body. So first, we use our iPad and we actually create a new event, and we'll call this event test event. And we can take a photo of me because I'm the one doing the measuring. And then we click done. And now we'll click on our test event, which we've just created. And then we want to go to create a new activity. So this activity, I'm going to decide I want to do SD card logging because that's what the video is for. And we're going to do 9-axis, and we always keep the fast slow switch on fast. So we're going to call this activity clap. Click done. Now we click start recording. Okay, here is when we start connecting our sensors to the iPad. So first I'm going to turn on one sensor, and you'll see him pop up on the screen, and he's already called IMU. So I'm going to click him and I'm going to rename him to bottom wrist. Okay. Now he's being renamed. Now turn on the second sensor. He pops up again, and he's also named IMU as default. So we'll click on him and rename him to middle wrist. Okay, he's renamed. And then we'll turn on our third sensor. He pops up, and we're going to call him top wrist. Alright, now that we've selected all 3 of our sensors, we're going to click OK, and we'll show configuring sensor screen. And then now you can see a squiggly line going next to all 3 sensors, and that shows that they're all SD card logging at 9 axes, which is what we selected. It's also good practice to leave the sensors for about 15 to 20 seconds before you start doing your activity. And also at the end of your logging as well, before you finish the logging. Cool, so now I'm going to do my 3 claps. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and hopefully we'll see that in all 3 sensors. Maybe I'll do another movement just to make it a little bit more obvious. We'll go 1, 2, 3. Cool. So you can see here all the sensors are still connected, but now if I walk away from my iPad, come on. Alright, so now you can see the sensors that they've actually disconnected from the iPad. So you can see that because there's a little flat line that's kind of going along there on the screen. This means the sensors are still logging, they haven't stopped logging, it just means they're no longer in range of the iPad. So now that we're back in range, we can finish the logging. So we'll go finish recording down the bottom, and you'll be prompted with a prompt here that says end logging session ? And now that's just so you don't accidentally finish your logging session, which is really, really important. So we can either continue logging or stop logging, but I definitely want to stop logging, so I'll press stop logging, and that's it.